Welcome to What is Climate Change and What Can I Do About It? This is episode 8 and I wanted to talk about electricity and gas bills, i.e. energy bills. One of the critical ways of establishing how much electricity you're using is to simply be able to read your electricity bill, and that's for many it's harder than it sounds. They deliberately make the bills complicated, but the thing to look for is what's called kWh, that's kilowatt hours, and that's the measure of energy. So if you total up the amount of kWh on your bill, that'll give you the total sum of electrical energy consumed in that quarter or month, depending on what it is. In the case of gas bills, they measure gas as megajoules, but it's still a measure of energy. So there's, to cut a long story short, there's 3.6 megajoules to a kilowatt hour. So we're measuring the same thing, just using a different measure. Once again, you want to look at how many MJs, that's megajoules, on your bill, and then you get an idea of how much gas energy you've used. I'm putting up stuff on the website ecoprofit.com.au to go into much more detail about reading electricity bills, but critically, if I go back to electricity, kilowatt hour, so what it is energy is power by time. So if 1 kilowatt is 1,000 watts, if you use 1,000 watts, consume 1,000 watts draw of power for an hour, it will be 1 kilowatt hour. And this is when you look later on when we're talking about appliances and various things that you consume electrical energy. We want to look at the rate that they draw the power and how long we've got the power being used for. So it's those two areas where we can look for conservation of energy.